So now for number 5, I'm going to write this real big. I'm just going to write it on the screen. F of x is equal to 4x plus 8, and we want to figure out some information when a equals 1. Now what they're really saying is x equals 1. Okay? So this equals x. But what do they want us to figure out? They want us to figure out df inverse over dx. Now what that's saying is they want the derivative of the inverse function. We don't have the inverse function. We actually have the function. Who remembers how to find the inverse?
Flip flop.
Flip them. So remember that this is y equals 4x plus 8, right? So step 1 would be to flip the y with the x and vice versa. So now we rearrange this as x equals 4y plus 8. What's the next step?
Then you solve for y.
Then we solve for y. So y equals some stuff. Okay? So now to solve for y, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides and then divide by 4. Right? So that's what I should get. Did I do that right?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. So now what this is, I'm gonna make it a little different. I'm gonna say f inverse of x then is equal to 1/4 x minus 2. Right? Because if I separate this and I say x divided by 4, that's 1/4 x, and then negative 8 divided by 4 is actually negative 2. Does that make sense?
Got it.
Okay, so now I need to take the derivative of this. So df inverse dx is the derivative of this function here. What is the derivative of this?
1/4.
1/4, and that's it.
Can you just flip flop the
So f to the -1 of x prime